if you guys have a consignment store, I'm going to show you a way to stay organized. This sheet will help you to track your inventory, the items that sold, the profit that you're making, and the amount that you're paying your sellers. All of this is available in Google Sheets and Excel, and you can buy it on my website at savvyandthriving.com. So here we go. You can track the total number of sellers that you have, the total number of items for sale, your revenue, and your inventory value. And then you can also see the total number of items that you have in stock per category. This is your inventory tracker. Again, you can see the total number of items, your revenue, and your inventory value as well. So we can do a quick sample. You can put the date, and then we can choose a seller name, the category of the item, the color from the drop-down box, choose the size, how many do you have, how much did it cost you to buy, how much are you selling it for, and it will give you the value. You can put in your SKU number, the description, how much it sold for, the sales date. To see your percentage of profit, if you can go into the formula box, I have it set for 50% profit. So if the seller is getting 25%, you can lower that as well. And then what you would need to do is you would need to drag, there's a little dot here, and drag this all the way down if you make any changes. You can write down the last time this item has sold. It will also track the days in inventory, and then if there's a consignment expiration date, you can put that as well. On the next tab, this will show the seller name, the sales date, and the item, the expiration date for that item, the sales price, the profit, and then whether or not they've been paid. All of these items that are coming in here is coming in automatically from the inventory tracker, so you're not having to write anything down. If they've made 75 cents, you can write down whether or not it's paid, and once it is, it'll track if it's unpaid or not, so you can keep track of who needs to get paid. This seller payment tracker takes all of the sellers on the seller tracker and then combines them. So if you have one John, then it'll have that same individual person and it's not duplicated, so you can see how much they've been paid total, the date that they've been paid, and how much is owed. Again, this sheet is available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. Let me know if you have any questions. I have over 450 sheets to help you, your business, and your budget to stay organized. Have a great day.